Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking an early look, thanks to the team over at Jordan for thinking of me and sending me these my way. Really appreciate the love you guys always give me over there. This is a woman's exclusive. This is the Air Jordan 6 in the mint foam colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button as well as our amazing merch store. All right, so again, a huge shout out to the Jordan brand team for thinking of me and sending me these my way. It is a release or early women's release that's set to come out for Women's History Month in March. So very excited to go over this. This is actually one of my favorite colorways I've seen on this silhouette. So we're going to talk about the overview, jump into size and fit, and then we'll talk about how I styled this minty fresh colorway. And then we will conclude with the release date that's set for these. As we know, though, things could potentially get pushed back, and this is an early release. So do take that into consideration, but we'll talk about how much they're retailing for as well. All right, let's jump right into it. So starting with the front of the toe box, you'll notice that this is a really nice, simplistic, light heather gray tone on the nubuck on the front of the toe here. As we work our way up, simplistic white laces. They're keeping it very monochromatic on this one. So I love how simplistic the color scheme is. We do have this really cool lace lock here in that metallic silver colorway. We also have the matching lace tips here in the silver as well. Nice metallic silver going on for the Jumpman logo that's embroidered there. And as we work our way up to the top of this tongue, we do have Jordan in this nice print that is on top of a gray color scheme. Let's take a look at those details and then we'll move on to the side panels. So working our way to the side panels, we do have underlays of that nubuck and that light heather gray color scheme, overlays of the tumbled leather on top of that. Working our way to the back of the collar and the heel of the shoe, we do have this embroidered Jumpman and that nice mint foam color scheme. We do have the mint foam as well accented nicely on the pull tab here. For the inside of the collar, it is a nice sparkle of that platinum metallic silver color scheme going on. For the insole, it is gray with a hint of that mint foam color scheme. Working our way to the other side, on the bottom of the midsole of the shoe is then completed with that minty foam green color scheme. Icy blue for the outsole, and then we do have a pop of that foam mint on the bottom here for the Jumpman. All right, let's take a look at those final details. All right, so as far as size and fit goes, again, this is a women's exclusive and will be released for women's sizing. So I'm a true women's size 9. I would say stick true to size on this one. I do have higher or feet, so depending on whether or not you have wide or flat feet, this could differentiate a size that works best for you. Other than that, stick true to size. All right, now let's jump into styling. Again, this was such a fun colorway. It's very refreshing. We are hopefully going to be entering spring here soon in New York. It is pretty cold still, but this is definitely going to be a very fun spring, summertime color scheme. So I love this minty fresh colorway. I really wanted to add the mint colors in each of my looks. So for the first look, I wore head to toe kind of seafoam green look with a blazer and matching pants and a faux leather material. I think it just complemented this quite nicely.
I look like Judas. I cannot betray you. I can never play you. Baby, you should know you're not a mistake. Now we're not a mistake. Your heart is not a playground. You should know I know. I've been through the fire and I made it. I've been all about your heart and soul.
For the second look, I changed it up a little bit and I wore a button down in the same kind of minty foam color scheme. I layered that with a corduroy jacket with a faux fur collar, and then for the bottoms I wore just a simplistic kind of light khaki color for a skirt, just for a more dressed up version for the 3 looks.
Heaven is a drug you don't wanna do without. Loving you is diamonds and you so all of that. You deserve all the love you.
For the last and final look, I decided to wear this nice kind of minty fresh leather jacket. I think it complemented the accents of that mint foam quite nicely. For the bottoms, I did decide to go with some minty green denim pants. I love that there are lots of different color options for denim these days, so I definitely wanted to complement that mint green color for the last and final look.
Say you don't believe the love he gave you. I can take the pain away right now. I pray for the words to go. Tomorrow will be kind to you.
So you let me know, the 3, what was your favorite, or how would you style these? Alright, so these shoes are set to release March 8th. Hopefully that date will stick. This price point is going to probably vary between $190 to $200, but we will see as these do come closer to release date what the exact price point will be. Alright, again, huge shout out for Jordan sending these my way. Thank you so much for thinking of me as always. If you were new here for the first time, hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all in the next episode.